This is why you need to know about the peacock spider. Get ready to be amazed. Meet the peacock spider. Found in the wilds of Australia, this little critter is no bigger than a pencil eraser. But don't let its size fool you. It's a tiny marvel with dazzling colors and intricate dance moves. Males use their bright, vibrant hues to woo the ladies and scare off predators. Imagine a rainbow with legs putting on a show-stopping performance just to find love. And guess what? Despite its small size, the peacock spider is a skilled hunter, taking down prey with precision and agility. Isn't nature just full of surprises? Next time you think of spiders, remember this little guy, the peacock spider, small, colorful, and endlessly fascinating.